Got a heavy workload and a second shift, counting every dollar like a card trick, watching all my friends try to strike it rich, buying things that sell like hotcakes, gone so quick. I pack my own lunch, skip the downtown drinks, write another number in the margin with my ink. Every little side job, every late night pickup feels like one more brick in this wall I'm trying to lift up. I'm gonna save up for something special, not just spend it, let it slip. Gonna pay back every promise, every late night that you sit. I don't need to strike it rich, just one time that we can hold. Yeah, I'll save up for something special, more than money, more than gold. Maybe it'll sell like hotcakes, all these dreams I pitch. Or maybe it's the slow road where we never strike it rich. But I'll pay back all the wait and every tired, quiet night if I can save up one bright morning where it finally feels right. I'm gonna save up for something special, not just spend it, let it slip. Gonna pay back every promise, every late night that you sit. I don't need to strike it rich, just one time that we can hold. Yeah, I'll save up for something special, more than money, more than